Soft naan bread filled with melted cheese. No yeast, no tandoor. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make an easy peasy cheesy naan. That's right, we're going to make a naan bread stuffed with cheese. So simple, so quick, so tasty. Let's show you how to do this. Okay guys, first job, we'll start with the wet ingredients and we'll add the yogurt, 300 mils of yogurt. Then we'll add 300 mils of water, followed by 300 milliliters of milk. As you can see guys, it's up to 900 milliliters. Add 60 milliliters of oil, and then what we'll do, we'll crack in an egg. So we'll crack our egg in there, and then we'll give it a good mix. So we'll give it a good mix up, make sure everything's fully incorporated, and then we'll start on with the dry ingredients. Okay guys, to a bowl add 800 grams of self-raising flour and 800 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we need to add a good tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just give that all a mix through, make a well in the middle, and then we're going to add our wet ingredients. So very easy, it's not too crucial. Tip our wet ingredients in there. And then with the back of a wooden spoon, using the handle, bring it all together. So we're going to bring it all together to start off with, because this is a sticky mixture. And then we're going to get our hands in there. So get our hands in, bring it all together with our hands nice and gently until it starts to form a ball, and then we're going to give it a bit of a kneading. So knead it up. Now it's not too critical that it's too smooth, just knead it all together. And then what we need to do, the little bit of oil that was left in our jug, just put on our hand, rub over our dough, and then what we're going to do, we're going to cover our dough for about an hour, hour and a half, and obviously the rising time, proofing time, varies with the temperature of where you are. Okay, 1.5 hours. Dough's risen. What we need to do now is break off the dough. So I'm going to break this off into about 140 gram pieces. And then what we need to do, just fold it all in with our fingers and push over the top with the palm of our hands. That forms a nice little ball. Give it a roll round and store it in a container or on a tray under a plastic bag or cover. So finish all our dough balls, and then what we're going to do is give them a roll in. We're going to roll our dough balls so they're nice and smooth, and then we'll let them rest. If you're using a box like I am, we'll let them rest for about 45 minutes, but you know, if you're using a tray, cover it with the plastic cover. Again, let it rest 45, an hour, and then we're ready to go. All we're going to do is a little bit of flour on our surface, take out our dough and roll it out. Now it's very easy guys, just roll it out. Now we don't want to roll it into a traditional naan shape just yet, because we need to put the cheese in the middle and bring up the sides. So I'm using cheddar and mozzarella, 2/3 cheddar to 1/3 mozzarella, we want the flavour, and then we want it all sticky inside with the mozzarella. Once you've got your cheese in, guys, just bring up the sides and sort of fold it into the middle like a Naan cheesy parcel. Try and squash it all together as best you can, because we don't want the cheese to come out. And then we're going to roll it. Now, to roll this naan, guys, it's now full of air, so roll it gently. If you roll it too quickly, it's going to burst open and then the cheese will leak out as we cook. So you roll it nice and gently so the air is pushed out inside, and then you can roll it into a naan shape. Then all we got to do is put it in our pan and cook our naan. So simple. Now, this is not going to puff up like our naan breads in a pan, but it is going to cook and fill with air slightly inside. You can see it rising slightly, and then what you need to do is turn it over. Turn it over, press it down with a cloth in a couple of places. All the cheese is melting inside, and the naan bread's getting that lovely bit of colour on. It's very easy, and that's it. All we need to do now is put it on a serving plate and brush it with ghee. And then we've got a plain naan with cheese inside and ghee over the top. We've got that plain buttered cheesy naan. Absolutely fantastic. And that's easy, guys, and then just carry on with the rest of your naan dough. And look at that cheese in there. Look at that. Oh man. Cheesy plain naan. How easy is that? Absolutely fantastic. I love it. Love it. Oh guys, oh man, oh, too hot. All the cheddar and mozzarella in there, in a nice soft naan bread. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Now if you like what we're doing, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe. Share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time.